Hello friends, welcome to my channel Think and Write. In today's video, I am going to tell you about 10 flowers name. First of all, as you all know, I make one drawing in every video. So I am making a drawing of sunflower. Here, I am making leaf. Now, I am going to do black sketching to it, to the whole drawing. To the sunflower I am doing yellow color. In middle I am doing pink color. To the stem I am doing brown color. To the leaf I am doing green color. First line, S U N F L O W E R, sunflower. Second line, L O T U S, lotus. Third line, R O S E, rose. Fourth line, J A S M I N E, jasmine. Fifth line, Lily, lily. Sixth line, Daisy, daisy. Seventh line, Marigold, marigold. Eighth line, Hibiscus, hibiscus. Ninth line, Tulip, tulip. Tenth line, Lavender, lavender. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.